Hello kids, so today we are going to learn a very important trick, that is squares of numbers from these range. Okay, any number between 26 to 75 we can find its square. Okay, condition is you should know the square from 1 to 25. Okay, I think so 1 to 15 all of you know. Okay, but 16 to 25 you have to learn, then only you can do this trick. Okay, this is very easy. Okay, for the first two digit you have to take the number and the difference with 25, then you have to take the number, subtract it from 50 and make it square. We'll better understand this once we start doing this. Let us take a number between these range, that is 41 square. Now 41 comes between 26 to 75. For the first two digits I have 4 digits here. Okay, 4 blanks. For the first two digits, what is the difference between 41 and 25? It is 16. Okay, so easy, we got the first two digits. Okay, for the last two digits we will subtract the number from 50. 50 minus 41 is 9 and make it square. So 9 square is 81. Easy students. Okay, look how we did. One more example I am giving you. This is 47 square, 4 blanks. Okay, 47 minus 25, I think so it is 22, and for the last two digits here this will be 3. Okay, 3 square is 9, but you will not write 9, you will write it 09 since you have 2 blanks. Okay, so the trick is very easy. Now we'll do where you will be having a carry above the number. Okay, so let us take say 36 square and I'll take 57 square. Okay, now 36, the difference from 25 is 11. Okay, so I wrote it 11, and 50 minus 36 is 14. You know what is 14 square? 14 square is 196. Now how to write 196? We have 2 blanks here, so 96 and this is 196, like this. This gets carry. So your final answer is 1296. Okay, very easy students. One more, 57. The difference from 25 is 25 plus 7, 32. Okay, it is 32, and 50 minus 57, I will get minus 7. So minus 7 square, or you take it 7 square, one and the same. Okay, so 7 square is 49. Okay, so your answer is 3249. Then we'll take say 72 square. Let us take 29 square, and I'll take say 55 square. Okay, 72, the difference from 25 is 47. Okay, and the difference from 50 is 22. So you know 22 square is 484. So write 484. This is the way we'll write. This is 4 8 11 1. This is 5184 is your final answer. Okay, 29 square, very simple. First two digits will be 404. Okay, from here it is 21, I guess. 21 square is 441. Okay, so your answer is 841. Okay, now we'll come to 55 square. Okay, now 55, the difference is 35 45 55, so 30, and the difference from 50 is 5, so 5 square is 25. So this is your answer students. Okay, so I think so the trick is very easy once you practice it 5 to 10 times. Okay, and solve the sums given below. Okay, make the trick easier for you. Solve more and more, remember the trick, and it will be very easier for you for all the competitive exams, so that you can do it orally. Once you master this, you can surely do this orally. Thank you, students. Goodbye.